Hello students, good evening. Today we shall read the poem Wind. In this poem the poet has told about the wind and its strong face. Wind's strong face, or you can say the strong outlook, that is storm. कहने का मतलब कि इस कविता में जो पोएट है वह वायु के स्ट्रांग फेज, स्ट्रांग स्वरूप का वर्णन किया, यानी तूफान के बारे में बता रहा है कि वायु जो है जब तूफान के रूप में होता है तो कमजोर लोग जितने होते हैं सबको ढहा देता है, सबको गिरा देता है, और अगर आप रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे तो रिक्वेस्ट नहीं सुनता है। तो अंत में अपील करता है पोएट कि हमें जो है स्ट्रांग बनना चाहिए। जब हम स्ट्रांग बनेंगे तब अपने आप वो आकर के मित्रता कर लेगा। यह एक पोएम एक मैसेज दे रही है हमको कि हम अगर दुर्बल रहेंगे, दुबले रहेंगे तो मदद करने वाले बहुत कम मिलेंगे, लेकिन अगर हम लोग मजबूत रहेंगे तो तमाम लोग मित्रता करने के लिए मिलेंगे। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस रीड द पोएम लाइन बाय लाइन। Wind, come softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers. Here, the poet is requesting the wind to come softly, mildly, and the poet is requesting the wind not to break down the shutters, the windows, not to spread the papers, put on the shelf. Shelf means almirah. Almirah on the wall. There, look what you did, you threw them all down. The poet is telling the window that it had spread all the papers put on the shelf, on the almirah, down on the ground. You tore the pages of the books. The poet says that the wind has torn the papers of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Poet says, कब कहता है कि आप जो है कमजोर लोगों का मजाक खूब करते हैं। देखिए, टू पोकिंग फन मीन्स मेकिंग द फन। You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Weaklings means the weak people. Frail crumbling houses. Frail crumbling means weak and breaking houses. Crumbling doors, breaking doors. Crumbling rafters. Rafters means beams, जो बड़ी बड़ी बड़ेर लगी रहती है। Crumbling wood. Wood means here furniture. Crumbling bodies means बूढ़े लोग, बुजुर्ग लोग। Crumbling lives, और कमजोर lives means here people. So here the poet is telling that the strong wind or the storm always collapse, always destroy all the weaklings, weak people, weak furniture, weak walls of the houses, weak windows and shutters. The wind god winnows, wind god, Pawan Devta. The wind god winnows the crushes them all. Winnows and crushes. Crush means to trample, कुचलना। तो पवन देवता कमजोर लोगों को कुचल देते हैं, है ना। विनो मीन्स उड़ा ले जाते हैं। Winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. Some come, let us build strong homes. That is why the poet is appealing to all of us to make the strong buildings, strong homes, strong body, practice to form the body, make the heart steadfast, to make the heart strong, so that we should not be the victims of heart attack. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. The poet says, if you are strong, your body is strong, your house and buildings are strong, the furniture and windows are strong, then the wind will come to you and make friendship with you. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. कब कहता है कि जो कमजोर आग होती है उसको पवन देवता क्या करते हैं, बुझा देते हैं, और जो प्रबल आग होती है उसको और भड़का देते हैं और बढ़ा देते हैं. His friendship is good. लेकिन मित्रता अच्छी है. बलवान की मित्रता अच्छी है. आप भी बलवान बनने का प्रयास करोगे. We praise him every day. Praise means प्रशंसा करना. Adore. So here in the last lines the poet has given a message to all of us that we should try to make ourselves strong, our bodies, our buildings and other things, so that the wind come to us and make friendship with us. It is not only for the wind, but indirectly the poet has given a message that if you are strong, the people will come to make you friendship with you, and if you are weak, certainly the people will try to torment you, torture you, they will try to take advantage of you. सब लोग आपका फायदा उठाना चाहेंगे. फायदा मतलब नाजायज फायदा उठाना चाहेंगे अगर आप कमजोर रहेंगे तो. In the last I would say that the poet says that strength is power and weakness is death. You will live in this world like a dead man if you are weak, my dear students. So always try to be strong. That is all. I will give you the answers of the questions in written. Okay? Thank you.